Edo State government don go chook eye for the Iyekogba road project wey dem go flag off on Wednesday 19 December 2023. Commissioner for Roads and Bridges Iten Uzameri join body with Oredo local government Chemo, Tom Obaseki, to go give this good news from Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki to the people of Iyekogba communities concerning their bad road. Una go remember say our Tori person Ilori Dorin John carry waka go Iyekogba for one peaceful we no go gree waka wey shele for Iyekogba to Umegbe communities for 14th November 2023 sake of their bad roads wey don jagajaga finish, and said the we no go gree na to put reminder to Governor Godwin Obaseki concerning the promise wey be make to them on top their bad road before them join body campaign for am, and say years after in campaign e never still fulfill am. Na this one come make Edo State government go chook eye for the road and come meet with the Enigies of Iyekogba and elders and youth of Umegbe to tell them of this good news.
A governor, Ogimare, one way Iyekogba was one of his campaign promises. Then he had designed a F4. So now he said, let us go to the road to go and start work on the road. One way, halfway, he will also come tomorrow with his team to come with the contractor. The contractor is here. Our engineers, they are also here. So on our way, the last time, or promise away that road, he will do it. So he's going to fulfill that promise. So now we are going there. But halfway after ESCO, maybe around 2, we will also come with an enlarged team with the contractors to start work on that road.
Commissioner for Roads and Bridges Iten Uzameri talk say the reason why they won't work on the road na sake of say the Iyekogba road na part of Governor Godwin Obaseki campaign project, and the road lead to more than 36 different communities.
This road will link more than 33 communities for Edo, for around the greater Benin city as we talk. You know, say sometimes because of the influx of development inside here, it's now necessary to say we must do the road, and it's one of the campaign promises of the staff now. We will start the work now as we talk now. The flag off is starting now. Before the end of today, we will mobilize machines to come here and real equipment to start work.
Oredo local government Chemo Tom Obaseki talk say in happy well say Obaseki na talk and do governor, and in constant.
Nothing more to tell the people that to remind the people say we get governor wey be say wetin talk na he dey do. Wetin the governor talk, he must do am. So we are happy that we have a governor wey dey do wetin he talk say go do. So as he promise us today now we say the flag of one start. So we are happy because the governor na man of his words. Wetin talk na he dey do.
Enogi of Umegbe, His Royal Highness Anthony Osaige, Enogi of Evoyi Oba and Evoyi Kaiduk Lucky Oba Risua, and other community leaders come tell our Tori person Ilori Dorin John say, but this sweet them the moment when they hear say government don't approve the road for construction and come throw a salute to Obaseki wey won't make the road possible.
Our father, great-grandfather, all of them don't fight for this thing. This road, it don't work. And our time now, this road won't come work. They won't come asphalt our road. Now, good to know, they appeal. In fact, right from the day where I hear say governor don't approve the Iyekogba wey we about Megbe road, they appear every day. Now that day I start celebration. Both Christmas, Igwe festival and New Year festival, now we dey do so. You will see and tomorrow everybody go full here. Iyekogba road, we never see road for this place before. So now when they want to come do one for our time, we dey very happy. And we thank God and our ancestors that the governor is coming to flag off this road tomorrow. See you now for this site, for this place. We don't sure say the road we don't start am. And by the grace of God and our ancestors, we will finish this road. His Royal Majesty L.Y. Ogedigan for the blessing and the prayer he gave us. You know, when Oba step on a community, development, peace, and good things will come from that community. When Oba L.Y. II Ogedigan pay a post-coronation visit to Iyekogba. Since that very day, development have been coming to Iyekogba. We don't have secondary school before, today we have secondary school. We have many good things coming since his visit, and today now the road is coming. We thank the Oba of Benin.
We thank God and our ancestors for these developmental projects we Obaseki don't put for ground. It don't take small where this road don't dey somehow. He don't get as he be. But Obaseki can't promise say he go do the road. Say make anybody make them not worry. He go do the road. And as he talk, that's what they do. But tomorrow now, Him go come here, everybody go wait for him. The whole place go full tomorrow. Where they go wait for him, come flag off this road project. And we thank God our ancestors that this project it dey happen over our time. And we thank the Oba of Benin for the peaceful developments when they bring for all the kingdom, all the communities for Edo State.
So this now wetin we dey fight for since make dem come carry this road for us. But today now, our governor Oba Obaseki, the executive governor of Edo State. So he say he wan come do the flag off tomorrow. So we the Iyekogba we are very happy. By this now we celebrate this December. Now we celebrate this Xmas New Year. So we don't really expect this thing. So all of us we are very happy today. So I thank our governor, thank the commissioner, I thank the chairman for making it possible for us. The cry we dey cry for many years. They don't come remove the tears from our eye. So I really thank the governor. All the Nigi, Iyekogba, all of us now they fight the fight since. For many governments when they don't come. Now the cry we dey cry now be this. But we thank God say God don't hear our prayer now. So I thank everybody.
This one na the happiness where we dey look for life. You know, road na major thing when it comes to where people dey live. This road, as you see am so, it span over 46 communities in this area. And this road is a bypass to Ekenwan Road. It's a very, very strategic road. So we want to thank Governor for looking for the money to come and construct this road. This road will add economic value to the people of Ward 2, by extension to Oredo people. This is one of the fastest developing area in Oredo now, as we speak. I will tell you, the number of houses within the past 4 years where it don't grow here, it don't reach over 90% of the houses where they grow, where the people where they live here. Anybody where they build houses now, new houses, now this area be the area where they build. So we thank Governor, we thank his team, we thank the commissioner, we thank everybody that play a part on this road that is coming to pass.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesili, TMC TV News.